what you're looking at is a guy who likes to talk and a distinct competitive advantage. All right, let's get into that.
I'm also a guy that likes to talk as well, so.
I have never been called a distinct competitive advantage unless we're talking about tug of war,
beard competitions.
beard competitions, and oh man, that would be Tussie.
Right, he would win.
The monster.
We'll
All right,
put him
so
in the middle.
let's talk about this for a minute.
All right.
We have a lot of things within Air Power that give us a real leg up with our customers, with our competition.
Right.
And one of those is specifically talked about on a regular basis, and that's your department, the project management team. What, in a synopsis here real quick, what do you think gives us that advantage over competition?
So I guess you could look at it, start off with just the fact that we are PMP certified. So you know as a customer that your team has been trained to a higher standard, if you will. That also means that you're going to get that oversight on your project that you may not have if you just have someone that sells you equipment.
Yep.
You're going to get the scope of the project is going to be managed in its entirety and not just an equipment sale or an equipment installation.
Right.
So you're going to get someone who can get you the information about the equipment, whether it's manuals, someone that can help you with billing, someone that can help you with if you have a warranty issue. You have everything through the entire life of the project through even after the project is over, you have that level of support that you may not have from just an equipment salesperson.
Right. Well, not only that, let's look, there are some very competent engineering people in this world.
Right.
That are systems engineers, that are working on booths, ovens, conveyors, putting whole packages together, right? And we're just looking at finishing for this one particular talk. But there's a difference between an engineer who might be incredibly competent and might be savant level that can handle all these different things, right? There's a difference between that and someone like you or your department here within Air Power that's trained, that's certified to watch the process of all of those different components.
Right.
And making sure you track everything. Is that putting it right?
Right.
Okay.
And with our experience over the last 7 years of just our experience in the project world, we can look at things that has happened in the past and try to mitigate those risks. We try to ensure that we are looking at the overall picture of the project, timing, delivery, billing, cost, everything. So a customer may have a plant engineer, but that plant engineer, they're probably working on multiple projects within the plant. Well, by working with Air Power, you now have an external plant engineer, if you will,
right,
that is going to take care of this project for you. So all you have to do is communicate with Air Power, and they're taking care of your project for you and making sure that everything from A to Z is taken care of.
Yep, and even within our own organization, our engineers, our systems team, they have tons of projects going on.
Right.
And they're on one day they're quoting, they're helping the account manager try to sell that project. They've just got a lot of irons in the fire, and for them to be able to have all that done and turned over to you as a project, you're able to watch a lot of those other things that kind of escape the day-to-day mind of the systems guy or the or the engineer. So it's kind of like a safety net, a giant safety net for our organization. So
well, and the customers.
Even more so for the customer.
Right. So we always talk about the voice of the customer, and the project team is absolutely the voice of the customer, and we're the voice of Air Power. So we try to protect both and make sure that both come out with a very pleasant experience at the end.
Yep, perfect. So there you have it, our very own distinct competitive advantage, Mr. Dave Hege.
Never been called that before.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.